What would the future human look like? Think about this. What if the future of humanity isn't perfection, but fragility? What if our own brilliance has begun to unravel the very process that made us strong? Let's break down the scientific reasonings. The engine of evolution. For millions of years, life on Earth has been guided by one relentless force: natural selection. Survival of the fittest, the weak perished, the strong endured, and with each cycle, life grew sharper, tougher, more adapted. Breaking the engine. Well, now, something has changed. Our species discovered medicine, technology, compassion. Tools that once saved us from extinction now shield us from nature's filter. The engine is breaking. How nature worked in the past, harsh reality called disadvantageous traits: a fragile heart, weak immunity, poor eyesight. Nature made its choices without mercy. But today, those very traits no longer mean the end. They are passed on, generation after generation. The genome under pressure. Our DNA, once refined by the pressures of survival, now collects tiny flaws, silent mutations that natural selection once erased. Over time, they accumulate like cracks in a great structure. The myth of the perfect human. We dream of the future human as flawless, stronger, smarter, more advanced. But the truth may be stranger. The next human could be not a sleek ideal, but an ordinary figure, cocooned in technology, dependent on it for survival. The cocoon. The environment no longer sculpts us. We shape ourselves with our inventions, building a protective cocoon. We are safe, but also exposed, strong, yet fragile. The human story is no longer written by nature, but by our own machines. The consequence? This is the paradox of our success. We conquered the world, but in doing so, we may have weakened ourselves. Our survival now depends not on the resilience of our bodies, but on the technology we can never abandon. So, what is our future? Not extinction, not perfection, but transformation. The next human is not forged by the wilderness, but by the tools we built to escape it. Success has a consequence, and that consequence is the weaker version of us.